Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have come up with MCQs on Python sets. You can check out the description box for other Python MCQ topics as well. So here, which of the following is not true about a set in Python? So the first one is it contains unordered elements. It's a true statement. It is mutable data type. It is also true statement. Python sets allow duplicate values. So this is the false statement. So set is unordered and mutable, but it doesn't allow any duplicates. Which of the following is correct way of defining the set with elements as x, y, z? So the first one, here we are creating a set with x, y, z, but it's going to create a tuple here. It's going to create a tuple here. So this is the correct way of defining, but when you try to check for the size, you will be getting it as 1. That means it's not going to create 3 different elements. It will be creating single a tuple element. So this is the wrong statement. And coming to the second one, yes, it is iterable. We are passing the iterable. So this is the correct statement. Let's examine the third one also. So s equal to set of x, y, z. So in this case, we are passing 3 objects. Actually, we are supposed to pass only one iterable object. But here we are passing 3 objects. So this is the wrong way of representing. So option B is the correct answer. What is the output of the set ABC and set XYZ? So it's going to perform the intersection, and which will be resulting in the second option, because the first option by default empty curly braces represent the dictionary but not the set. So empty set in Python is represented like this, just set constructor. What is the output of the, so set 1 2 3 4 5 6 is given, and minus, that is we are supposed to perform the difference of set 2 3, and then this cap symbol represents the symmetric difference in Python. So among difference and symmetric difference, difference has the highest precedence. So first it performs the difference operation. So 2 3 elements will be removed from the main set, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, which will result in 1 4 5 6, and from this 1 4 5 6 we are supposed to perform the symmetric difference of 2 3 4 5, that is it will be removing the intersection elements. So you will be getting the result as 1 2 3 6. Which of the following is incorrect for deleting 5 in set s equal to 1 2 3 4 5? So we are given a set as 1 2 3 4 5, and we are supposed to remove 5 from it. So s minus or equal to 5. Yes, it's correct way of removing. S dot discard of 5. Yes, this will also remove 5. S dot difference update of 5. So this will also remove 5. S dot pop. So pop will remove the last element, but as set is unordered, we can't predict which element might be deleted. So we are not sure of whether 5 will be deleted or other elements will be deleted. So the pop is not correct way of using. Which of the following will give an error if s1 equal to 1 2 3 4? So as sets are unordered, we cannot use them with the indexes. So first one is wrong. You cannot access with the indexes. Obviously second one also will be wrong, because here also we are trying to access with the index. And third one, we are trying to use the plus operator. So plus is not permissible, only minus is permissible. So all these are going to result in error. Which of the following is incorrect way of creating a copy of a set? So first one, s2 equal to s1 dot copy. Yes, it will create a copy. S2 equal to set of S1. Yes, we are using the inbuilt constructor. This will also create a copy. S2 dot update of S1. Yes, this will also create a copy. And the last one, S2 equal to S1. So this is the wrong statement because it's not going to create any copy. It will just make S2 also point to the S1 set. So it just creates a reference but not a copy. So S1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S2 equal to 8, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 5, 4. Print S1 dot is subset of S2. So we are checking if S1 is subset of S2 or not. Yes, it is subset. We can clearly understand. So it is unordered. So don't worry about the order. If you find that each and every element of S1 is available in S2, then you can say S1 is subset. Similarly, S2 dot is superset of S1. Yes, if S1 is subset of S2, obviously S2 is going to be superset of S1. So both this statement will return true. S1 equal to 3, 2, 1, S2 equal to 5, 4, 3. Print S1 dot symmetric difference of S2. In the earlier, we have already discussed that symmetric difference means it will remove the intersection elements. It will remove the intersection elements. So that means among S1 and S2, only 3 will be removed. So it will be the last one. Which of the following is correct? So here S equal to 1, 5.5, that means different types are used. So integer permitted, float permitted, and then a set. This is not permitted. So you cannot use a mutable collection within a set element. You cannot use a mutable collection within a set element. So this is wrong. And next again we are using set here. In the first option we are using dictionary. In the second option we are using a set as one of the element of the set. So this is also wrong. And third one, yes, this is valid. This is the correct one because we are using tuple. So as mentioned, we are not supposed to use the mutable collection as an element of a set. And the last one, again, it is going to be wrong because we are using list, which is also a mutable type. So we are not supposed to use list, set, or dictionary as an element of a set. You can use a tuple as the element of a set because tuple is immutable. So that is permittable.